So, very good afternoon to everyone. So, today we'll start with our module number 1, the subject research methodology, institutional level optional course. The first module is the introduction of the basic research concept. So, in this lecture, basically everyone is familiar with the word research. So in day-to-day life, everyone doing a research. So basically we are defining some concept, some definitions which is related to the research. So in first lecture we introduced the basic terms which is related to the research. So first see the outline of this today's lecture. We define research definition, then we define the basic concept, of construct, postulate and proposition. So first we define the various definitions which is related to the research. Research is a common reference to research for knowledge. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on specific topic. So that is called as a research. Also we can define research is an art of scientific investigation. So in day-to-day life, it may be in business, in social or in scientific, research is very important. So research is a creativity and systematic work that undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge. That is called as a research. So according to the Advanced Learner Dictionary of Current English Laws, the meaning of research: a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts, any branch of a knowledge. There are the two British scientists, Redman and Maury, define research as a systemized effort to gain the new knowledge. That is called the research. Some people consider research as a movement from the known to unknown. It is actually the discovery of unknown things. That is called as a research. So research is also defined as a creation of new knowledge by using the existing knowledge in new and creativity. So we generate a new concept and methodologies and understanding. So research is careful and detailed study into specific problem, concern or issue using the scientific methods. Research is academic activity and such as the term should use in technical sense. That is called as research. So this is all about the definition of research. Now we go to the concept of construct. Construct are the broad concept or topics a study. Construct can be conceptually defined in that they have meaning in theoretical terms. Example of construct including intelligence or life satisfaction, or variable that are created developing the construct into measurable form. So construct is a part of the research. So how to create a research that can be defined in terms of construct? So that can be in terms of intelligence, life satisfaction or variables that developing to construct the measurable form. Then postulate. Postulate is also sometimes called as an axiom, is a statement that is agreed by everyone to be able correct. Along with the definitions, Postulates are often the basic truth of much larger theory or law. Thus, the postulate is a hypothesis advanced as essential preposition to train the reasoning. Postulates are working below the most scientific activity. So, postulates are nothing but a larger theory which creates a laws, that is called as a postulate. Then preposition. Research proposition is a statement about the concept that may judge or true or false if it refers to observable phenomena. When a proposition is formulated for empirical testing, it is called as a hypothesis. The empirical part of the study exploratory in nature. So researcher decide use the research proposition rather than the hypothesis for the following reason. The empirical part of the study is an often exploratory in nature. Second, the research is not based on previous model or can be therefore approached from more pragmatic view which will be more meaningful. So in this way we define the various definitions which is related to the research as well as some basic concept, postulate, preposition and some another terms which is very important in terms of the research. So we can stop here. Thank you very much. So please subscribe my video, share, like it, and if you have any problem, please write me on personally WhatsApp number so we can solve your queries. So we can stop here. Thank you.